Alright. Big and see. So. Heal up. Oh shit. Don't do me that. Back with another vlog again for you. This one is very interesting. We're on Grenada's beach. Let's get put it. Mash it up for me, you know. Damn. Well, we outside. Trying to read the TG. Try to bless him up with a bracelet. So, are you about to what? Sorry. Yeah. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna give you all a little look of we are now. Alright, so I began to see. Before the noise get louder and I lose the opportunity, let's go and see if we can meet the TJ boss. Heal up, man. Heal up. I'm trying to meet the boss to see if I give him a bracelet. Yeah? Trying to meet the boss to drop a bracelet on his hand.
Oh, you want to give him some?
Yeah, I want to give him some.
Boss, I want to bless you.
You want to hold the camera? You want to record it? Yeah. Welcome in the place, brother. Where you find? So basically it's a shambala, you open it on two sides. Let me show you. So that one side, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah. Next side. Hold the next side too. The next bead. This one here, sir. Yeah. Official. I mean, I don't know what time it is. Let me make the boss see some. Represent Green's era, you know what I mean? Big up the boss teacher.
You don't know Grenada. Represent. Uptown.
And it's that simple, easy, calm. Oh la la. Show off. Represent Grenada. Welcome, stay as long as possible. You know what time it is. Up in the Greens from LA. Thank you. Oh. Yes, sir. See, there you go. Campaign again, looking for more notice. Alright, so you do a stream pic. You do a video pic. You know what I mean? Screenshot all that. Here, look.
Yeah, that is.
And it's that.
Oh, you're just here for the...
Yeah, man. Thanks. Thanks, boss. You don't know.
Yeah, man.
Love, respect. Yes, sir. This one is only 40 EC. I gave for 35 inches. You want to try it on? You can make 30 EC. Let's try it on.
Grenada one.
Well, you can get a brown Grenada color.
I want black.
I do have black. I have all different style.
I like this one.
Have a look. Go through these.
I think the one with the black with the Grenada colors. Yeah.
Point it, touch it.
No, I kind of like the red too, you know. I think this one. You might have to adjust it from one foot.
It's adjustable already.
That is
you know. But this one is 55, you see, I give her 50 if you like. This one a little bit more.
I want for 30.
Huh?
I want for 30.
Well,
So which one? You choose one. It doesn't matter.
I'll probably,
Brown?
I could give you this one for the tick.
That's the man.
Hi, bro.
What's your price range on them thing there?
Not very, very expensive, but least
I
expensive.
feel like you have to adjust it.
I don't want to buy.
I can't, but it is made for. I bet you it could work. Let's,
Can I hold it for you?
yeah, please.
Put it under. Really?
Tell me that VIP you're going to.
I'm going to VIP.
Yo, VIP is the biggest section. There's no VIP there. That's the regular though. The section for the local is like small though. So
No, Reggae Fest sections big for the general.
for VIP, since we that big, everybody going VIP. That's not no VIP anymore though. Everybody in VIP. All that could be VIP. I thought VIP is supposed to be luxurious.
Man, the film, the motor man we kill. Ravers, Glendevan, and over back to me green.
Well, if ever see you again, what's your name?
Soraya.
Hey, your real name or what?
Yeah, that's my real name. Soraya.
Sorry, I mixed up. You mix. What mix with?
Well, my grandparents are white, but my family is originally Grenadian. So my father's side
I'm
family
Grenadian, but
white, so it makes I love it.
I'm Jamaican, but I raised here though.
Yeah.
Very nice though. That's why I want to come and tell you.
Thank you. Nice. What's
You
your
know,
name?
do it.
Nice to meet you. Hopefully I see you later.
Sarah, next time I see you, I say what going. Don't worry, boss. We go there. It's alright.
Thank you. You're welcome. All right, give thanks. Cheers up. Cheers up. Hey, bro. Change the 100 for me now. You change the 100? You can change the 100 for me? $100. Hey, drop this video. Drop this video. Like, share, subscribe. Hold on. Tell about. Say subscribe to the channel, man. Say subscribe. Tell the people subscribe to the channel, man. You know what you go. Greens are.
Virginia, when you want to make a beer, talk in advance.
Bye
Yeah.
bye. So all you done now.
Yeah, I don't know your stuff.
Alright, see you later. All you done now. See you on the next one, right? Big and serious. Like, share, subscribe.